Hello everybody, and welcome to the next video in the eOPSEC 101 course, or OPSEC for Absolute Beginners. In the last video, we went over how to install and use IVPN on an Android device, and in this video, we're going to do the same, but for iOS devices. Quick disclaimer, I do not go over how to create an account and pay for it on this video. That was done 4 videos ago on its own specific one, which was, I think it's called Creating an IVPN Account. And the reason I did that separately from all the other installation videos is in the comment section of that one, but you will have to watch it before you watch this one. Once you have created and paid for an IVPN account, you're going to go over to your App Store. You're going to go to Search, where it says Games, Apps, Stories, and More. You're going to type in IVPN. And you're going to come to the one where it says IVPN, Secure VPN for Privacy. You'll either have a blue Get button or you'll have this little cloud download icon. We're going to go ahead and tap on that and give it a couple of seconds. Shouldn't take too long, but once it is done, you're going to tap Open. And it says your status is disconnected. It says I'm in Amsterdam because I have another VPN behind this one. You're not getting my location that easily. So again, it says our status is disconnected. In this case, we're just going to use this fastest available server. So we'll tap the little red label with the black dot to connect. And now it asks us for our account ID. So I hope you wrote or typed yours down somewhere. So we're going to type I-3DNC-24GB -5WLD. Log in, and it says what data we don't log, what data do we log on sign up, and we're going to go ahead and just tap agree and continue, because why not? IVPN would like to add VPN configurations. Go ahead and tap allow. It'll take you here, and we're going to put in our 6-digit passcode or whatever you have as your security configuration. And as you can see, it has now moved us to Belgrade in Serbia. And if you want to change the location, just tap traffic is routed via server and come to whatever one you want. Israel has been a staple of these videos for some reason, so we'll go ahead and come to Holon in Tel Aviv, and it will move us to Israel. And now all of our traffic is being routed through here. So that is how you install and use IVPN on an iOS device, and I hope you did enjoy the video. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and whether you have or not, please consider liking and commenting on the video. That gets the engagement for the video out to more people, and it convinces me to make more videos like this one in the future. Either way, my name is James Martin, you guys have been amazing, and I will see you